Welcome back to Above Ground World News. Michigan to fight EEE by spraying 14 counties to kill the mosquitoes. Michigan, huh? Isn't it like cold up there now? Why would they be spraying for mosquitoes now? Summer's over. We're in fall. We're going straight from summer to winter. Here in the same area in Michigan about the deer population giving humans tuberculosis. Aerial pesticides will be sprayed in 14 counties starting Sunday to kill mosquitoes as state health officials work to combat the worst outbreak of mosquito-borne eastern equine in Michigan's history. There is no treatment. There is no cure. A rare virus spread by mosquitoes that kills 33% of the people. 33%, huh? Those who survive are often left with long-term neurological problems. 9 confirmed cases. So without your consent, they're going to be dumping poisonous particulates in the sky in 14 counties. How do you stop that? It's too late. They've already sprayed it. They started today. We also had a tornado, hail, snow as storms sweep through California. Cell phone video posted online showed a towering vortex spinning Saturday. Anyway, guys, much love. We're going to play a song called Rise. We're going to need to rise soon, sooner than later. Then I'll play a couple other songs. I'll jump over on the DLIVE, give away the treasure chest, and then I'll come join you in chat. Here we go. Crank it up. Much love, guys.